Watermelon and barbecue are a match made in heaven. Here's how to make a delicious barbecue sauce infused with the sweet, fruity flavor of watermelon. To make the watermelon barbecue sauce, in a medium sauce pot, combine the pureed watermelon, tomato paste, molasses, dried mustard, smoked paprika, apple cider vinegar, coffee, and salt. Bring this to a boil, turn down the heat, and reduce the sauce by 2/3 or until it's a nice thick consistency. You can use this tasty watermelon sauce on any of your favorite barbecue dishes. Now I'm going to show you how this barbecue sauce adds a special summery sweetness to everyday baked beans. Preheat an oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat a 2-quart heavy sauce pot on medium heat. Add the bacon and render until it's about halfway crispy. Add the onions and sweat until translucent, and then add the garlic and sauté until aromatic. Add the navy beans, which have been soaked overnight and strained. Add the watermelon barbecue sauce to the bean and bacon mixture and stir to combine. Heat on medium heat until bubbly. Cover the pot and place it into the oven for 2 hours. Stir after 2 hours and continue cooking in the oven covered for an additional 3 to 4 hours. Remove the beans from the oven and stir. The beans should be tender with a nice thick sauce. And there it is! Watermelon baked beans garnished with fresh watermelon. Serve this great dish on your barbecue menu.